Hello everyone, today I'm bringing you another fall tablescape video, but instead of the cool blues, I'm using some nice warm red and orange colors and textures so that way everybody has a style that they would enjoy. So today I have also some DIYs that you may see in the last video I posted, and I'll go ahead and note those when they're seen. But this way you don't have to see those all over again, and I will link that video in this one so that just in case you missed it, you can catch up. So starting with that blank canvas, I did that tapestry, large oversized canvas in the background that you see here. And this, for example, is one of those DIYs that I showed you how to do. You can see a fast clip there, but go back and watch how to do that if you're interested in seeing how this is done. It really kind of transforms the space, and that pumpkin was another DIY that I showed you. But that gives a nice backdrop for the space to give you that warm and cozy effect that you're looking for. Now, I said this before, but you want to layer that table, so use multiple textures, multiple colors. I added in then some gold, beautiful lanterns with some candles to give it that warm and cozy vibe. And then I add in even more textures with my placemats. I do add some ribbon, and then on top of the placemats I use chargers. The chargers and the placemats and such are all from Hobby Lobby. The plates are from the Dollar Tree, and adding in some napkins. The homemade DIY that we did here was just some napkin rings. I got the supplies from the Dollar Tree, these wooden die cut leaves with the wooden rings. You just go ahead and add a very small dab of hot glue, stand that ring up, and I did put a little bit of metallic pen over that leaf to give a little bit of an orange hue, and that turned out nicely. These are kind of small DIYs that you can do just to really accent your plate and accent your table. You know, this little ornament that you see that I added here is another small DIY. These are from the dollar spot in Target, and they're leaves and acorns, and just adding the name of the individuals on there. It not only creates a nice table setting for the guests, but also something that they can take home with them and decorate their home with at a later date. Now, to really amp up the drama on the table, I like to do a really full centerpiece. So what I do is I take this leaf garland that I have, and you know, you could just place this on the table alone, but to really give it an elegant appeal, what you want to do is add in layers. So the more you add in, the more depth that you're going to give this, and it's really going to be spectacular in the end. And what I do is I kind of imagine as if I had just raked up a pile of leaves in my yard. It's going to have branches and sticks and dry leaves in there, and so that's exactly what I do. I go through and add all those branches and twigs, and it gives it that depth and dimension that just layering that leaf garland in there would not give, and so it really makes the table special. Now, another leaf garland you see there in the background on the wall, this is a super easy DIY as well. I just got these leaves from the Dollar Tree, a little bit of gold yarn, and you just run them through your sewing machine, and the depth in between the leaves is dependent on how hard you pull the string on the other side. And you could hang that on your wall or dangle it from your chandelier. You could do so many things with that to really add some more decor items at such a cheap price for only $1 that I know that you would enjoy that as well. And so this is how the table turned out. I think that it's got a beautiful drama to it, and for everybody who likes that warm weather look for their autumn decorations, this video is for you. And guys, if you saw any of the DIYs that you wanted a little bit more depth in how the how-tos are, go ahead and check out the previous videos. Again, I'll have them linked in below, and you should be able to see them in the cards in the video itself. So thank you so much, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.